Hi, I'm John Marks. I'm Head of Development at LBI, and I also run the LBI Centre of Excellence for EPiServer. LBI is a full-service digital agency. We have a wide variety of clients. I would say 3/4 of those are private sector, maybe 1/4 public sector, and most of them are trying to bring their brand online, really focused on user-centric design and a good user experience. At LBI, we have done a lot of EPiServer sites. I think it's probably about 30 clients in the last 2 years.
My favourite LBI EPiServer site is Global Arena, and it's a site that helps businesses find locations for other businesses. We've seamlessly integrated Solar into EPiServer using a plugin, and it's administrated in EPiServer's admin mode.
When clients engage us, the main thing they want us to do is to make the website simple, accessible and easy to use for the end users. Behind that there might be a lot of complexity, but the users need to understand it and it needs to feel very, very simple.
My favorite LBI EPiServer website is Living the Dream, which is a website for Marks & Spencer. You can build your own business layer on top of EPiServer, and you can easily integrate Flash and other applications with EPiServer.
The kind of content on our sites can vary enormously. On the one extreme, you'll have a research site with hundreds of thousands of HTML or Word or PDF documents, but more and more people are including rich media, a lot of video, and now people are looking into augmented reality and media formats of the future.
My favourite EPiServer site that I've worked on at LBI is Analysis Mason. We were able to custom build a search engine, and we were able to easily plug the search engine on top of EPiServer. Yeah, EPiServer made it very easy for us to build a custom search engine on top of the data that we had.
In order to keep users, I would say the most important thing is to have good quality content and make the site easy to use. You need to have good content to make sure people come back. And if it's not easy to put the content in, it becomes stale and out of date extremely quickly. It's extremely important that the content management system doesn't stagnate. Some of the older vendors, through no fault of their own, are based on technologies that's 10 years old, and it's really difficult for them to improve and grow. Systems like EPiServer are doing a major release every 6 months, which to me feels about right. Anything more frequent than that is also scary because you do need a stable platform.
My favourite EPiServer LBI site is the Sony SingStar. It allows people to sing along with friends with a microphone attached, and it allows users to upload videos and comment on those videos online. We've implemented a custom admin interface which allows the editor and the admins to moderate the videos within an EPiServer interface. The complexity with the videos and EPiServer is getting them together. So we've created lots of custom properties within pages, allowing people to upload videos and convert them into any format that we wish.
On the vast majority of our projects, content management is vital. It's the cornerstone of everything. Our customers are extremely aware of the importance of a good CMS system. Most of our clients now have been through this process at least once, if not 2 or 3 times, and they certainly aren't the naive buyers that they were 5 or 10 years ago.
My favourite LBI EPiServer site is NEBS, the new energy billing system that we built for British Gas. This is the order overview. It displays all the recent orders that we've received. On the left-hand side is a status of all these things, which are controlled by the scheduling service. We use a lot of external applications, so the scheduling system that EPiServer provides makes it very easy for us.
When we select a CMS, there are a lot of different audiences to consider. What a lot of people don't realise is the implementation of the CMS often costs a lot more than buying the licenses, and the developers who are doing that implementation need to be happy. We really focus on how natural it is for the developers, and it needs to feel to them like it's part of their tool set.
The reason why I love Barrett so much is the way that it displays the information. It allows customers to search for properties. The way the information is laid out, is wonderful. And not only that, working with EPiServer makes things a lot easier.
It's extremely important for us that our CMS vendor has an active support network. We wouldn't use an unsupported vendor. Equally important is an active developer community, so we can answer questions and get answers from our peers. We make use of EpiWorld all the time. We ask questions, answer questions, and we have quite good relationships with a lot of the senior engineers at EPiServer, and they're very helpful answering our questions.
EPiServer was very helpful in building the site. There's a lot of dynamic content on there. Schools can post messages and sort of it's just been made really, really easy to do and very, very interactive. All of this is content managed, and EPiServer has made it very easy to do that for us.
EPiServer only sell through partners, which is enormously important for an agency because there's nothing worse than actually competing with people you think are your partners. So we rarely embrace the partner-only model. When selecting content management systems, the boxes that EPiServer ticks would be first and foremost ease of use for the editors. It always does extremely well when the developers test it because it is simple, it feels natural to them, and it's a very pure .NET solution.
My favorite EPiServer site is mymaster.co.uk. Create very easily pages in the globalization. You can enable the languages in the admin mode, using admin mode, and you can create the pages in one by default language. After that you can create whatever the other languages required. So you can modify the content very easily.
One of the reasons we like EPiServer is we have full control over what we can do. If you look at an EPiServer site, you wouldn't know it's an EPiServer site.